In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Getresponse Autoresponder for email marketing. By the end, you'll have an automated welcome email that goes out instantly to every new subscriber who joins your list. Let's start inside your Getresponse account. From the main dashboard, look for the top navigation menu and find the section labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools, and from the drop-down, choose Autoresponders. This is where you'll manage all of your automated follow-up emails. Once you're on the Autoresponders page, you'll see an option to create a new one. Click on Create Autoresponder. This opens the setup screen for your first automated message. Now we'll configure when this email should be sent. Look for the day setting. Set this to 0. Day 0 tells Getresponse that you want this autoresponder to go out immediately after someone subscribes to your list. This is perfect for welcome emails, lead magnets, or any instant confirmation message. Next, make sure the linked list is correct. This should match the specific list that your sign-up form is adding people to. If your new subscribers are joining a list called, for example, newsletter subscribers, you want that same list selected here. If the wrong list is chosen, your new subscribers will never receive this autoresponder, so it's worth double-checking. You'll also see an option to assign a schedule. By default, the setting on day is checked for all days of the week. Keep it that way if you want your welcome email to be sent no matter what day someone signs up, including weekends and holidays. This ensures a consistent experience for every subscriber. Now it's time to add your content. Start by entering a clear, engaging subject line. This is the first thing your new subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it relevant and welcoming. Then click on Design Message. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose a template. Pick one that fits your brand and the type of message you're sending. After choosing a template, edit the content. Add your text, images, links, and any call to action you want people to take. When you're happy with the design and copy, click Next to confirm. Finally, review your settings one more time, and when everything looks good, click Save and Publish. Your autoresponder is now active and ready to send automatically to every new subscriber who joins your linked list.